Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 31.5-inch mid-century coffee table. This is so neat and useful. On the top, of course, you could just use it as a coffee table, but wait, there's more. You've got this nice hinge area in here that you can store things like blankets or whatever you're wanting to put inside there. This actually keeps it open and it's slow closed. So you put that down, that is really nice. It's got this really pretty edging all the way around here. And then on this side, you actually have two open areas that you could put little figurines or you could put games. So there's one. This just slides over. Then you can have a whole another side if you wanted to put some books or anything like that. It's about 18.5 inches high. It's a nice engineered wood. This is a really nice table that would look pretty in any room. It's got a lot of different storage space. Be nice and practical.